So this is the leg developer from Freak Athlete that goes on their ABX bench, and I bought the bench myself. I made a video on how to build that bench, and Freak Athlete was so kind to send this thing here for free. So this is an advertisement, but still an honest review. Let's dive into the box to see what we have and how difficult the build is going to be. And I must say, they did pack it very, very good. So something people never give instructions about is how to open the box. So basically, you put it on the side here and you have all these flaps. You can just run them open and here it is connected. So we're going to have some sort of a lid that we're going to get. So if I'm going to open this like so, boom, voila. It is neatly packed, nothing can really get damaged, so that's a good thing. And let's take everything out of the box and see what's inside so we can start building. This one goes up and down, and there's plastic on the inside to protect metal that's going in here, so very well thought of. So I like this. Basically, they give you the wrenches, and even though you can't really do much with this thing without buying the bench, and the bench includes already some wrenches, they still included another one of these sets. And I like that very much. And very thoughtful, because this really doesn't cost a lot of money. And again, we have 4 steps. So yeah, let's scan a QR code and see if the guide is any good. And if it is, we're just going to do a time lapse. If it's not, we're going to provide with a build guide. But I watched the video like halfway through and I was like amazed by how good the tutorial is from Freak Athlete. They did an amazing job because with every step, they show you what of the big materials you need to use, and then they say how you have to tighten everything, how you have to get everything together. So it's just an amazing guide, and I don't think I can do that any better. So we're going to jump to a time lapse here of me building this thing, and then afterwards we can just check it out and see how it performs. So here it is, fully assembled and still pretty compact. Boom. So the guide was very well laid out. The only minor thing that I found is that if they say that you have to put the bolt through, they forgot to mention that you also put a washer with the bolt. And I got like 2-3 times that I forgot this, even though I should have known that you need this. But this looks slick, man. The sleeve looks very nice. Everything is, maybe I could tighten this on a little bit more, but overall pretty cool and very easy build. So before we test this one out, let's install the handles first. And what we also need to do is we need to find a space for this. We have to undo some bolts and then install these handles, and they have conveniently left and right on them. But what do they mean with left and right? Because if I'm installing it like so, this is my right hand and this is left. I don't know. So this needs to go like yonder. Okay, let's see if we can install the leg developer without any prior instructions. So I'm going to put you right here. So here we have the bench. The bench needs to turn. And because it's very maneuverable, that's not a problem. Boom, like so. Then we need to put the bench on LD. That's just like 15 degrees or something. But oh, look at that baby rolling. And then this pop pin goes out. This thing goes in a little, whoop, just like so. Ooh, beauty. And then we tighten this one, put the pop pin in, and it's securely locked in place. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, nice. The more you straighten your legs, the more you're gonna feel it, obviously. But I feel like this is a nice curve, even like all the way back. And as I saw before, you can even go all the way, boom. Get a nice stretch even in the hip flexors. Boom. Oh. Now, as it comes to finding space in the home gym, this was the intended spot. It didn't really turn out how I hoped it would. I hoped I could just drive this one in. Boom, but yeah, there's a lip here, so I can't really do that. But fortunately, it's not too heavy. But even if I put it here, this still protrudes. So what I think about doing is turning it 90 degrees and boom. That will fit perfectly here. Boom. So that's pretty much it. The leg developer from Freak Athlete that goes onto the ABX bench. Thank you again to Freak Athlete for providing this to me. It's a very easy setup, very easy assembly. It comes clean out of the box and takes up almost no space if it's in storage. But keep in mind, this is a very long thing when you're using it. So you probably need to find the right spot in your home gym to actually use it. But it is so comfortable to do. Thank you again for Freak Athlete. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace out!